Hey, Patrick here from Nolan Riding. Welcome to part 2 of our cornering how-to. In this video, we're going to be looking at bermed corners. So, why ride bermed corners and why get better at riding bermed corners? Honestly, they are one of the most fun features you're going to find on trails. They allow you to carry momentum through a turn and exit with more speed than you entered in, if you've got skills, and if you're able to drive and load your bike into the slope of the berm, create that centrifugal force, and pull a G or 2 or 3 if you're really good as you exit the corner with speed and a huge grin on your face. So we're going to break down the how of the berm right now. So how do you ride a berm? Well, your friends probably tell you to just ride the berm, just send it, but a few things you could try if you want to work on your skills is, number 1, speed. So much of what we do as riders is we try and come into a corner guns blazing, and then we just end up doing a ton of braking, losing all of our speed, having no flow, and then having to pedal hard to accelerate out of the corner. So what you can try is actually slowing down before your corner, relax, give yourself time to focus on the look, the low, and the lean, and actually enjoy riding your corner, feeling like you're at a speed that's going to be able to be consistent and confident as opposed to trying to ride your corner too fast. So you're coming into your berms at a speed that feels comfortable, and it's giving you time and space to look, to be low, to lean, and enjoy riding your corner, as opposed to fighting the corner and braking in it. The next thing that you can layer onto that is your line choice. So by looking ahead, you're seeing an inside and an outside to your corner. Look for the outside, see if you can come in high and wide, start your corner early, and what that's going to do is it's actually going to allow you to exit sooner. So you'll come in outside and wide, and it'll actually ride the bike will roll down through the inside of the corner, allowing you to come out faster and on a better trajectory. So look ahead and experiment with line choice. You've got traditionally the outside line and the inside line, but as you come up high, it allows you to ride down the berm and exit on the inside. Thanks for joining us and watching our how-to on bermed corners. I hope you got something from that. So just remember, when you're out there on the trails, number 1, be patient. Cornering is a deep skill and it takes a lot of time to refine your ability. So be patient and practice. Number 2, as you're coming into your corners, check your speed. Go slower than you think. Give yourself time to use your 3 L's. Look through your corner, get low, and lean your bike and body as you come through your corner. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next how-to.